Thank you.
Thank you. Please be seated. Please be seated. And sometimes younger people from Akwa Ibom may not know why their oil allocation has increased in terms of revenue given by the central government and those who fought for it. Because I was in Umpadek as an assistant director then, days of Umpadek. Akwa Ibom was entitled to only 1%. Though, to some extent, Household compensated them because they knew the real thing by giving the commissioner for finance was from Akwa Ibom. The director of administration, my good friend Ekbo Inta, was also from Akwa Ibom. But in terms of the allocation, in terms of money, Akwa Ibom, only 1%. Luckily, from 1999, I also became the deputy governor of Bayelsa State from the Niger Delta. And Victor Atta was one of the lions that fought for change of revenue. The first is that offshore-onshore dichotomy to be abolished. His colleague, my good friend, Benedium, is here, he knows. Victor Atta I can say, yes, other governors, late Alamese, Ibori, Benedium, and others also, but Victor Atta was like the champion. He was like the number one. That this offshore-onshore dichotomy must be abolished. Even when after the Supreme Court gave a judgment against it, he did not rest. He was not afraid that maybe it could be laced with contempt of court. If you look at the words on the mamble, on the program, and you read 18 and 19, it gives an idea of what I'm saying. 18 say, that was the quoting Victor Atta, this judgment, that is onshore-offshore dichotomy, will remain to the eternal shame of the Supreme Court of Nigeria unless it assumes the courage in future to reverse itself. We made this after the Supreme Court gave a judgment that offshore belongs to the federal government, states are only entitled to onshore. If that judgment had continued, Akwa Ibom, the level of development we witnessed in Akwa Ibom today wouldn't have been possible because they would have been getting only 1% or maybe less. And of course, if you read 19 too, it said a similar thing. Isaac Boro fought with guns. He was killed. That was a sitting governor. He was killed. Ken Saro-Wiwa fought with pen. He too was killed. But we have a more potent weapon. We all have our ballot papers. Until they kill all of us and take our ballot papers, we have the right to choose only those who recognize that there is a problem in the Niger Delta, that we have a right to the natural endowments of the Niger Delta, and that the day of emancipation has come. That is Victor Atta. That the Niger Delta, especially the states that have offshore oil wells, that they are enjoying money today, we all have to commend Victor Atta. Congratulations, my senior bandmate. We're all happy to celebrate today with you. And I am pleased to join all of you who have come out here today in paying tribute to His Excellency, Obong Architect Victor Atta, a visionary leader, an accomplished professional, and a remarkable patriot on this occasion of his 87th birthday. At 87, Obong stands as a testament to what it means to live a life of purpose. His contributions to the evolution of modern Akwa Ibom State remains indelible. As governor, he dreamt boldly, planned meticulously, and executed decisively. The foundation is laid in infrastructure, education, urban development, economic strategy, and institutional reforms continue to bear fruit decades after he has left. Obong Atta demonstrated that leadership is not about occupying an office, but about transforming the lives and aspirations of one's people. Beyond politics, Atta is a man of character. His integrity and sense of duty have inspired many, including myself, and his mentorship has shaped leaders across generations. His biography, titled Atta, Architect of a New Democratic Dawn, which is being publicly presented today, aptly captures his valuable contributions. Is therefore not just the story of an individual, but a chronicle of courage, service, sacrifice, and visionary leadership. As we honor him today, may we also draw inspiration from his journey, one that teaches us that leadership is most meaningful when it strengthens communities, uplifts communities, and lays a solid foundation for future generations. Your Excellency, Obong Atta, on behalf of my family and my friends, I join millions of admirers around the world in celebrating you. I pray that the Almighty continues to bless you with health, peace, wisdom, and many more years of grace and fulfillment. Happy 87th birthday. And congratulations on this well-deserved immortalization of your life and legacy in the book to be presented today. I thank you, and God bless us all.
One of the most remarkable Nigerians in our generation, the things he did yesterday have led to his being celebrated today, and we are sure that celebration is going to continue into the future. Can we put our hands together one more time for His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan GCFR, former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and also, of course, Chairman on this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to say